Let's make soft, fluffy Turkish pide right on the stovetop, no oven needed. Start with the dough. In a bowl, mix 1 teaspoon yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, and about 3/4 cup warm water. Let it sit for a few minutes until slightly foamy. Add 2 3/4 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Mix and knead until you get a soft, elastic dough. Cover and let it rise for about an hour. For the topping, you have options. You can mix ground beef or lamb with finely chopped onion, grated tomato, a spoon of pepper or tomato paste, plus salt, pepper, paprika, and cumin. Or go simple with cheese, mozzarella, cassar, or feta, with some fresh herbs. Once the dough has risen, divide it into 2 or 4 pieces. Roll each into an oval shape. Add your filling in the center, leaving a small border. Fold the edges over and pinch the ends to form that classic boat shape. Heat a pan on medium, no oil. Place the pide in, cover, and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until the bottom is golden and the dough is set. Or crack an egg in the center during the last couple minutes and let it steam until just set. Brush the edges with butter, slice, and serve warm. Soft inside, slightly crisp outside.